वे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची वे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आगवाची तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कच दी कबारी तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कच दी कबारी वे मैं चंबे दे पहाड़ा।
Hello my cupcakes, welcome back to another episode where I'll be sharing my Diwali makeup tutorial.
So let me settle down first and hold my hair with the help of a clip, otherwise people will start commenting, oh my god, look at her, she doesn't tie her hair before doing her makeup, my god, such an untidy girl she is. I have already prepped my skin with a good amount of moisturizer. I think a good amount of moisturizer is enough. I don't need to use any extra primer. As usual, I'm starting off with filling in my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil which is from a brand called Hilary Rhoda. I'm wiping off all the imperfections with the help of a concealer and using the same concealer as an eyeshadow primer. I know my expressions are a little weird, that's because I myself is a weird person. I have increased the speed of the video because I can empathize. I mean, when I myself can't tolerate the video, it is so damn boring. I can understand what you guys go through while watching my videos. After setting my concealer with loose powder, I'm applying these tapes on the outer corners of my eyes. Let me tell you, these tapes are also used to wrap the mummies. Like whatever, this tip's gonna help to create those sharp edges of my eyeshadow look. I took this nice brown shade from my Hilary Rhoda palette and applying it all over my crease. Now I'm taking this darkest brown color from this palette and applying it on the outer corners of my crease so that I can create this smoky effect. I am taking this silvery shimmer shade and applying it on the inner corners of my eyelids. Once it's done, I am taking this silver glitter eyeliner from Swiss Beauty and applying it to highlight my crease line. The CEO of my channel is here to see if everything is under control and I'm maintaining discipline and decorum of the channel. I hope this time I get a salary hike. Moving forward, I'm applying black eyeshadow on my upper lash line so that I can avoid the eyeliner. So finally my mummy tapes are off. Such a relief. Moving forward, I'm applying this concealer from Maybelline Age Rewind in the shade Sand to highlight my highlighted areas. Before blending, I'm leaving it on for some time to get the high packed coverage. By taking this highlighting shade, I'm highlighting my brow bone. Did you guys just notice my daughter is hanging around with those mummy tapes on her forehead? Oh my goodness. So after blending my concealer out, I was looking for my foundation and this 2-year child knows what a foundation is. Guys, I'm not even kidding. She literally found out the foundation and here it is. I hope while admitting her to school, she doesn't say F stands for foundation rather than Fisher Frog. And if she does, I won't be surprised anyway. I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC30. While blending the foundation out, always remember to take the brush or the sponge towards the neck so that the shade of your face matches the neck. And this way, you won't end up looking like a Halloween model. To conceal and highlight, I am using PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. To contour, I am using this cream contour from Cryoline in the shade NG1. Just look at her lips. She has foundation on her lips. God, utha le mujhe. To bake my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 15 Light. I'm not gonna set my entire face using powder as it is winter. I want my face to look glowy dewy, so I'm not gonna use powder to set my face. After all that blending game, it's finally time to contour my nose.
To get that rosy glow, I am using this blush from Faces Canada. This is a very beautiful corally peach color and suits all Indian skin tones. To highlight my face, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. To complete my eye look, I am using this dark brown shade on the lower lash line and smudging it out with the help of this brown shade to get that smoky effect. I am using both these shades to highlight my inner corners. I am applying Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my lower and upper lashes. To outline my lips, I am using this lip liner from Miss Claire. This is a beautiful dark brown shade. To fill in my lips, I am using this lipstick from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Cleopatra. This is a beautiful dark burgundy lip shade which is suitable for all Indian skin tones, especially during festive season. As you guys can see, I have lipstick on my teeth, and the best way to remove is by licking your middle finger and showing it to camera. I mean the index finger. After all that pain, finally I'm ready, and this is my final look. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, I don't care because I'm not born to impress each and everyone. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Follow me on Instagram, I'm very active over there. So with that being said, see you in the next video. Love you all. Happy Diwali. Mwah. Bye.